Hello friends, this is third lecture of numerical analysis. Topic is simultaneous linear algebraic equation. We have seen method of Gauss elimination method and we have done first example. Now second example is x plus y plus z is equal to 2, 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 6, 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 7. This is simultaneous linear equation. So we want to find the value of variable x, y, z using Gauss elimination method. So our first step is write coefficient matrix A augmented B. That is our first step. Is equal to A is coefficient matrix 1 1 1. That is our first row. 1 1 1. And second row is 3 2 1. Third row is 2 3 1. And our matrix B is column matrix, that is 2 6 7. Second step is convert this matrix into upper triangular matrix. So we want to, that place is 0, second place is this convert into 0, and third place is this place convert into 0. So our aim is 3 place convert into 0. So first operation is R12 multiply first row by minus 3 and add into second row. That is our first operation. And second operation is using first row convert 2 into 0. So multiply first row into minus 2 and add into third row. So what this operation, multiply first row into minus 2 and add third row gives, that is equivalent matrix to this matrix. First row as it is 1 1 1 augmented 2, and first row multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 3 plus 3 is 0. First row multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. First row multiplied by minus 3. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 plus 6 is 0. First row multiplied by minus 2 and add into third row. So first row 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 2 is 0. First row multiplied by minus 2 and add into third row. So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 2 into plus 2 is minus 4 plus 7 is 3. So our aim is this place converted to 0. So add second row into third row, we gives third 0. So R 2 3 1. The multiply by second row into 1, add then add into third row, we gives 1 1 1 2 as it is first row. Second row also as it is 0 minus 1 minus 2. And 0 is also as it is. Now, in second row, multiply by 1 and add into third row, we gives this term will be 0. This term also as it is because 0 into 1 is 0 and add into 0 is 0. In second row 0, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Now 0 into 1 is 0 plus 3 is 3. Now convert this matrix is upper triangular matrix. Now convert this matrix into back substitution. we gives x plus y plus z is equal to 2. Second equation is minus y minus 2z is equal to 0. Third equation is minus 3z is equal to 3. So solve this equation. We gives z is equal to. Therefore, by that substitution, therefore 3 cancel, so z is equal to minus 1. That is our third variable, z is equal to minus 1. Put the z is equal to minus 1 in second equation. They gives minus y minus 2 into z is equal to minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, y outside of other side of equal to, the sign will be changed. So y is equal to minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. So y is equal to 2. Value of y and value of z put in first equation. We get x is equal to 2 minus y minus z. So 2 minus y is equal to 2 and z is equal to minus 1. So minus as it is, z is equal to minus 1. So we get minus 2 plus 2 cancel, plus or minus 1. So we get x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to minus 1. That is our answer. How to verify that is our correct answer? Put in any one of them equation. So put in first equation, x is equal to 1 plus y is equal to 2, z is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel 2. So left hand part is 2 and right hand part is 2.